Good morning, Travis here with BK Lighting Design. I just wanted to take a minute to show you guys a project that we're working on and a solution that we're coming up with. Maybe it will inspire you on a project that you're working on, or just kind of help show you some of the things that we got to do to come up with to create the drawings for our lighting designs here. I'm going to share my screen. You'll see what I'm working on here in a minute. This is a project that designer gave us the 3D model, and they're not quite complete. And the drawings themselves show a silo, and the silo is going to look like, see this big silo here on the outside of the building? That's what it is. And it's got a staircase that's going circular on the inside here. And talking with the custom integrators who are working on the project, we're working on it with, we're talking about putting a light. There wasn't a staircase in this 3D model. Let me back up a little bit. So there wasn't a staircase here in this 3D model. So I went to the 3D warehouse and imported it, because when I build the lighting sheets, I'm going to show them a cutout section showing what the light is supposed to look like. So we talked about doing a line of light uh, along the stairs here, and about 12 inches above the tread, and it's just going to follow the tread. What's going to do, it's going to light the stairs the whole way up. And I guess maybe to show you, to give you an idea of what I'm talking about here, we'll go to Pinterest. Yeah, well, circular stair light. We'll see if Pinterest has one. Oh, there you go. Just like this. Something going up that's following the tread on the way up. I think will look really nice, but it's going to follow it all the way up. I wasn't quite sure how to show that on the drawings, so I imported this circular uh, circular stair model here. And what I'm going to do is just draw up this a reference point here. It's going to be, we're going to do a foot, 3.5 inches there above the stair tread, and copy, paste it, just keep placing it on the ends of each one of these stairs here. Let's see. Oops, that one didn't take the way it was supposed to, which that happens. Because drawing the arc and following the stairs is pretty challenging. I think it would be dang near impossible, to tell you the truth. But so if I draw in these reference points here just above the stairs, I should be able to either take a straight line and just connect it all the way up. And then we can take that line and change the settings on it to make it bigger, make it stand out more. We can change the color of it. And then, let's see here. Let me just see if I can change the color, like I said here. Well, I'll wait on that. I'll just show you guys here. Then we come in and delete these underneath it. And then I actually have a pretty good line that's wrapping around showing that model, and I'll put in reference notes on how that's supposed to look. And really, if I want, oops, I can come in here and I can, oh, hold on, it's thinking, but I can copy this line and paste it and put it a little bit higher to make it look a little thicker, just kind of give it some depth to, or once this stops thinking here. Yep, there we go. Okay. So if you see here, and then place it just above, just like that. And then I should be able to connect these lines. And SketchUp, being the cool platform that it is, will allow me to take this, and I'll keep going all the way up the stairs. But then I'll take this scene and update it. And I'll be able to, when I go to do the plans, I can go just to file here and send to layout, and I'll send it to layout, which is SketchUp's uh, plan creating program, and I'll put all my markups and notes in there. And that turned a really complex thing of being able to show a line of light going around a staircase. It makes it relatively simple, and it will give the installing contractor an idea of what it is that we're trying to accomplish too. The other thing is SketchUp mirrors nicely with our rendering program, where we can bring it over and show what the lighting should look like. Cool. I hope that helped out. Maybe brought some inspiration to your day or a project that you're working on, or maybe give you some little insights on what it is that we do and how we work on drafting up our plans for clients.